Hello! It's me, Faye. Hey everyone, it's Felicia here. Welcome to my very first YouTube video. I am so excited to finally have this going. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time. So I'm kind of excited that I've started doing this, but also very nervous because everyone's going to be seeing my face all over the internet, which is fine. It's okay. It's cool. No big deal. So today we're going to be talking about how I got these luscious, bouncy curls today. And what I used was the LUS brands curl kit. So it comes with 3 different kits. You've got the wavy, the curly, and the kinky coily. And today I will be using the curly because that is what I felt would fit well with my hair. And it definitely did. So I have been wanting to try these products for a really, really long time because I used to use Diva Curl on a regular basis. And after the whole scandal that had happened, I personally realized that Diva Curl was not doing what it should be doing for my hair. I have been using it for 3+ years and I always had such amazing results until one summer my hair just deflated. And there was no way it was coming back to life, so I lost a lot of my curls along the ends of my hair. So what I had done was I chopped it off to about what it is, the length that it is right now. And I continued to use Diva Curl, and then I realized my hair just still wasn't curling. It was still so dead, and I this whole time thought it was heat damage. So I said, let's just chop it all off, start over. So I did a big chop back in June, cut off all of my hair, most of it. I had just a little bit on the top left, and continued to use Diva Curl. And I realized my curls were still not defined, and that's when I realized it was Diva Curl. So I started using Shea Moisture like how I used to years ago, and my curls were slowly coming back to life, but I just felt I wasn't getting the result that I wanted. So I did a lot of research, I looked into different products, and I finally stumbled across the LUS brands. And I was a little skeptical at first because it's like one product for your hair. Like, come on, I need a leave-in conditioner, I need a cream, I need a gel, I need an oil. So I was a little skeptical, but I'm really glad that I tried it because it's amazing. So if you want to see how I got these curls, just continue watching. So right now I have freshly washed hair. I've got a lot of just hangy pieces because my hair is a little short. But I used, obviously, the shampoo and conditioner. Worked really well. The shampoo, first impression, smelled great. They all have this kind of vanilla-y shea smell, which I like. It's a little strong, but it's not too overbearing. The shampoo, I think, worked really, really well. It is a sulfate-free shampoo, and you basically apply it to wet hair and massage gently. Now, a little goes a long way with any of these products. This, I didn't even need to use more than like a quarter size, and it spread throughout my hair very nicely, very quickly. It lathers so nicely, and it doesn't make your hair feel straw-like or dry at all. So it kind of felt like I was just using a really lathery conditioner in a way. But I mean, not as smoothing as a conditioner would be, but it definitely wasn't hard. It didn't make my hair dry. It didn't feel harsh at all. Definitely felt like it was cleansing my hair, which I think it did, because my hair was tied up in a bun for the last like 4 days, and I haven't washed it in that long, so I was really due for a good cleanse, and I think this shampoo did a really good job with that. So first impression of the shampoo, really great. I think it's probably going to be one of my favorite shampoos. And then after rinsing, I went ahead with the conditioner. Love this conditioner. It is kind of like any other conditioner you would use. Very smoothing. The formula is very thick, which I like. So again, a little bit goes a long way. You won't need a ton of product when using it in your hair. And because my hair is a lot shorter than what it used to be, it definitely felt like I saved a lot of product using very, very little. So you basically apply to clean hair from root to tip. You can leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes for an extra conditioning, and you can comb through with your fingers or a wide tooth comb. I like to do both. I normally like to go in with a comb and then kind of use my fingers to kind of just grab out whatever loose hairs are still in there. But I think the conditioner did a really good job. It smells great. It is smoothing. It leaves your hair, like right now my hair is still so soft and I haven't done anything to it. Like I can still run my fingers through it, which is great. It smells just like the shampoo. It's got that same vanilla-y shea smell, which isn't bad. But yeah, silicone free. It is very, very nice and smooth, and it makes your hair really, really soft. These two together, cleansing and conditioning, works really, really well together. So if you're looking for a shampoo or a conditioner and you're not, you don't want to get the full kit, I would definitely give these a try. Okay, so now we are moving on to the final step in this 3-step kit, and it is I probably should have mentioned that I'm using a curly kit. Now the shampoo and the conditioner are the same throughout all of the kits, but the styler itself, they have wavy, curly, or kinky coily, and so I'm using the curly, which I thought would be best for my hair, because if you do go on their website, you can do like you can check to see which your hair would match the most. Like they have the 3 different sections, and they show pictures of different women with different curl types, so you can really kind of see where your curls would match and where your curls would fit. So mine definitely fit into the curly category. And so this is the all-in-one repair, hydrate, and styler. It is activated by water and must be applied to clean, wet hair. So right now my hair has kind of just been sitting up in this clip. It's dripping down my neck, but I have my water bottle handy to spray it, because I do know I will need to wet it a little bit more. So yeah, you section hair, wet thoroughly, add product, rake through and smooth, squeeze out excess water, and scrunch, air dry, or diffuse. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate what that looks like and start applying this product to my hair. So I cut my hair back in June, and my hair has always been past my shoulders, so I cut it all the way off, and this is the longest it's been since I've cut it. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair, just get a little bit down there. I'm gonna go in with my comb. This is what I use in the shower, but I'm gonna go ahead and detangle it just a little bit more, just to make sure I got all the knots out, so that way you can thoroughly coat all of your strands of hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle and spray each section. Now you want to make sure each section of your hair is dripping wet, so you want to get in there and really, really spray. Now you gotta do this for every section. So this may be a little bit longer than what you're used to, depending on how you style your hair. For me, I used to just kind of split my hair in half and then just distribute the product and use a brush. I found that worked for me, but we'll see how this goes. So you want to take about a couple pumps. See, I dropped this thing yesterday and it's not pumping very well for me right now. When I had first tested it, it came out in a nice big thick pump, but then I dropped it and now it's not being nice for me. So I did like 7 or 8 pumps, but you want to take like 1 to 3 pumps depending on how long your hair is. But as you can see, I'm kind of just raking it through. That goes on really nicely, really smooth. And then I'm just gonna take my little brush and just smooth that through. On to the next section. Make sure that's nice and wet. Make sure you want to get your roots as well, because I find when I'm adding product to my hair, my roots dry really, really quickly. And because your hair needs to be really, really wet for this specific product, you just want to make sure you're really soaking your hair. And just rake it in. And my hair is so wet, it's just dripping all over my toes right now. But it feels really nice. Like, it's so smooth. Just feels like you're applying butter to your hair. Not that I know what that feels like, because I've never done that before. But I imagine this is what it would feel like. Kind of. And then you just gotta squeeze. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head. I'm gonna fast forward so you're not just sitting here watching me talk to myself. So my camera stopped working, but I went ahead and finished the rest of my hair and kind of just saved this last piece just to demonstrate one last time what you should be doing to apply this product to your hair. So you want to wet it, make sure that it is soaked, dripping, dripping wet. I can tell you that my hair is soaking wet, that I almost fell a couple times. Look at that, it's dripping. Because my floor is full of water. And then you just want to take 1 to 3 pumps. Now, like I said, I dropped this earlier and for some reason it's not pumping properly. But when I had initially tried it, about 2 pumps was about that much product. You want to go ahead and rake it through. Really get it in there. I like to make sure that my roots are smoothed down. Then you're going to squeeze it. And your next step is to just tip the hair upside down. Don't know if you're able to see this. But then you just want to squeeze and scrunch. So you're pretty much just squeezing the hair. Okay, so this is pretty much it. I am really, really overdue for a trim. So my hair currently looks a little gross right now. But so the next thing you want to do is either let it air dry or diffuse it with your hair dryer. Normally I like to let my hair air dry, but for the sake of today's video, I'm going to diffuse it and show you guys what it looks like dry. I'm a little excited to see what it is going to look like. So I'm gonna diffuse it and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. My hair is about 80% dry. I didn't completely dry it with the diffuser, but this is how it turned out. It is a lot more volume than I'm used to, considering the fact that my hair is a little shorter. When I use products, I like products that kind of weigh my hair down a little bit just so it looks a little bit longer. But I'm kind of liking this. I'm digging this just a little bit. It's not so bad. The curls are defined. Really surprised that one product was able to give me this much definition and hold. It doesn't feel like it's a hard gel, but you know that there is definitely a lot of hold in this product. I am so overdue for a haircut. My hair is just so uneven in so many places. I normally wear my hair split behind one ear, but for the sake of today's video, I wanted to try something new and see what it would do, and it's not so bad. I kind of like it. It's cute. My curls are definitely really, really defined compared to what they would normally look like. But I like it. Yeah, not so bad. So I would definitely give this product a try. I'm like playing with my hair so much here. Yeah, so one thing about the drying process is you don't want to touch your hair while it is wet and drying because you will experience a lot of frizz. That is a specific instruction on the instructions that you're given via email when you purchase your kit. So I have a really, really bad habit of always just trying to fix my hair and fluff it out, especially right now that it's not 100% dry. I know I'm going to have a lot more frizz, but that's okay because there's still a lot of definition in my hair. I'm just really shocked. I am really surprised that this has given me so much hold and definition. Like, it feels like I've got a cream and a gel in my hair right now, which I don't. It's just the one product. I went ahead and put some oil in my hair too, just to kind of break it up a little bit. This is what I use, the Do Grow Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. And yeah, so, I mean, this is really cute. I really liked the outcome of these 3 products. So, if you're looking for a new product to buy, I would definitely give this a try. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed and felt that this was informative for you. Again, this was my first video, so I was a little nervous, a little worried about what I'm going to look like and what I sound like, but I tried my best. But other than that, first video, I think it was a success. The products were great. So don't forget to like and subscribe, share, whatever it is that you would like to do. Just don't hit the thumbs down button, hit the thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. And I hope to see you again soon. So stay tuned for my next video, hopefully coming out in a week.